CEC Georgian ceiling fan. This one, I was trying to like pull the pull chain on the fan, but I know it's still locked. When I tried to like pull the pull chain, I was standing up on my wheelchair, and when I tried to pull the pull chain, water like went out from the ceiling to the floor. So, and there's like really serious water damage up there, and that's why like water. Luckily, the fan did not get electrocuted. So I'm gonna turn the light. See, still works as normal. So that's a good thing.
It's still leaking.
Yeah. Where does the switch go to?
That one's supposed to turn on the fan, but the fan doesn't turn on.
Can you try to turn on the fan? I don't know.
Yeah, I'll go grab the step stool.
You know what, let me. I don't know, though. But
That one looks like it turns the fan on.
yeah, but there is a seal. Okay, so try to reach the pull chain. Or.
I can't do that. Let me go grab that.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna leave it off because I don't really want it to like just in case if it spark. Well, I'm gonna leave the switch off, and then because I want you to stand back so you don't get hurt.
Okay, I got it.
I don't know what.
I
Yeah.
don't know what that.
Yeah, I think the fan is probably still jammed since 2017, the last time I've been here. Yeah.
I don't know what this button does.
No, that. Okay, no, not that one. That's the light. No, there's a pull chain right there that has a fan right there.
This one?
Yes. Try to pull it. Pull it. Pull. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay, like now get down. Get down.
It doesn't work.
So it doesn't. Yeah, I have
It
this.
doesn't work because I guess
No,
it's been
no.
leaking.
Can you please like come here, please? Just as for safety. I don't want you to get hurt. No, still doesn't work.
Only the light switch works.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, this one still does not work since 2017. So this is just an HD remake of this fan. Well, and this one has sensible ways. It does look like the SMC Luna. This one has like a ceiling down that needs some help, which we're probably going to be taking this fan down soon because in a few weeks they're going to replace the ceiling tile. So eventually I'm probably going to get this fan and really it probably needs some work. I'll probably include the ceiling downly too. So
Everything.
and the bracket, I don't know if you can see it, but it's right. Yeah, it's right.
There's a spot right there
Yeah,
too.
there's the
Another spot over here.
There's the ceiling downly. Yeah, still does not work, but the light works anyway, so that's something that
Thank
works.
goodness.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. See you later. And I am going to rescue this fan too, so. We're also going to be moving out eventually too, because they're going to get a new house sometime in a few months. So yeah, you probably already seen the drop, because there's a few drops that are leaking. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.